Hi everyone, and welcome back to VT English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma. Hi, everyone. I am so happy to be here with you today. It is a beautiful day for a podcast.
It really is, Jack. How are you doing today? You look very happy.
I'm doing great, thank you. I have my big cup of coffee and I am ready to talk. How about you, Emma?
I am doing very well. I am excited because today we have a very special topic. It is something we use every single day when we talk to our friends.
Ooh, a special topic. I love that. What is it?
Today, we are going to talk about the past. We are going to learn how to tell stories and talk about things that happened yesterday, last week, or even many years ago.
That is a wonderful topic, Emma. Talking about the past is how we share our lives. It is how we tell our friends about our weekend or our childhood.
Exactly. But before we start our conversation, we have a small favor to ask our wonderful listeners.
Yes. If you like our podcast, please click the like button right now. It helps us a lot. And please subscribe to VT English channel. When you subscribe, you don't miss any of our new episodes. We want to help you learn English every week. And don't forget to share this with your friends and family. If you know someone who is learning English, share the love.
Thank you so much, everyone. Okay, Jack, are you ready to talk about the past?
I'm ready. Where do we start? The past sounds a little difficult for beginners.
It is not difficult at all. We can start with very simple words. When we talk about the past, we use words like yesterday, last night, or last year.
Ah, I see.
So I can say, yesterday I was happy. Yes, that is perfect. I was is the past of I am. It is very simple. Jack, tell me, what did you do yesterday?
Yesterday? Let me think. Oh, yesterday was a very busy day. In the morning, I woke up at 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock? That is very early.
Yes, it is. I woke up and then I made a big breakfast. I ate eggs and bread, and of course, I drank coffee.
Woke up, made, ate, drink. Those are all great past words, Jack.
Thank you. After breakfast, I went to the park. The weather was very nice yesterday. It was sunny and warm.
That sounds lovely. Did you walk in the park?
Yes, I walked for 1 hour. I saw many beautiful flowers and some small dogs. I love dogs.
Me too. Dogs are so funny. So, you walked in the park and you saw dogs. What did you do after that?
After the park, I went to the supermarket. I bought some fruit and some milk. Then I came home and I cleaned my kitchen. It was a lot of work.
Wow, Jack, you were very productive yesterday. I didn't do much yesterday. I stayed at home.
You stayed at home? Was it a relaxing day?
Yes, it was. I watched a movie on TV. It was a funny movie, a comedy. I laughed a lot.
Laughing is good. What did you eat for dinner?
I cooked pasta. I love Italian food. I cooked pasta with cheese and tomatoes. It was delicious.
Pasta. Now I am hungry.
Sorry, Jack. But see, we are talking about yesterday using very easy words. We just change the action words a little bit. Like for many words, we just add ed at the end, like walked, cleaned, stayed, and watched.
That is true. I cleaned, I walked, I watched. That is easy to remember. But what about the other words, like ate and went?
Ah, those are special words. We call them irregular. You just need to practice them. I go becomes I went. I eat becomes I ate.
I see. So I can't say I goed to the park. I must say I went to the park.
Exactly. You are a star student, Jack.
Thank you, Emma. You know, talking about yesterday is fun. But I also like talking about a long time ago, like when we were children.
Oh, I love childhood stories. Tell me, Jack, where did you live when you were a child?
When I was a child, I lived in a small house near the mountains. It was a very beautiful place. My house had a big garden.
A garden? Did you play in the garden every day?
Yes, my brother and I played there all afternoon. We played with a ball, and sometimes we climbed the trees.
You climbed trees? Were you brave?
Well, I was a little brave, but one time I fell.
Oh no, did you cry?
Only a little bit. My mom came and she gave me a cookie. Then I was happy again.
Cookies solve everything. They really do. I lived in a big city when I was a girl. I didn't have a garden, but I went to the park with my father every Sunday. We flew a kite.
A kite? Wow! Was it a big kite?
Yes, it was red and yellow. It was very high in the sky. I felt like a bird. It is a very happy memory for me.
That is beautiful, Emma. Memories are like photos in our minds.
They are. And you know what's great? We can talk about our last vacation, too. Jack, where did you go on your last vacation?
My last vacation. Oh, last year I went to the beach. I went with my friends.
The beach. I love the ocean. How was the water?
The water was blue and very cold, but it was okay because the sun was very hot. We swam in the ocean every morning.
Did you see any fish?
Yes, I saw many small, colorful fish. And in the evening, we sat on the sand and watched the sunset. It was very romantic and peaceful.
That sounds like a dream, Jack. Did you take many photos?
Oh yes, I took hundreds of photos. I have them on my phone. I can show you later.
I would love to see them. On my last vacation, I went to a big city. I visited many museums and I saw old paintings.
Museums are interesting. Did you like the food in the city?
Yes, I went to a different restaurant every night. I tried new foods. One night, I ate spicy food, and it was, wow, my mouth was on fire.
Oh no. Did you drink a lot of water?
Yes, I drank 3 big glasses of water, but it was a fun experience. I love trying new things.
Me too. You know, Emma, when we talk about the past, we also use the word didn't.
You are right. Didn't is for when something did not happen, like I didn't eat breakfast today, or I didn't go to work on Sunday.
Yes, it is very useful. I didn't like the movie, or he didn't call me. That makes it easy to talk about things we don't like or things that didn't happen.
Exactly. So, Jack, let's think about some more tips for our listeners. When you want to talk about the past, don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Yes, mistakes are okay. If you say, I eat dinner yesterday, people will still understand you. But if you say, I ate dinner, it sounds better.
Correct. And you can practice by writing in a diary. Every night you can write 2 or 3 sentences about your day. Today was good. I went to the shop. I bought a book.
That is a great idea. Or you can talk to the mirror. Tell the mirror what you did yesterday. Hello, mirror. Yesterday I played tennis.
The mirror is a very good listener. It never interrupts you.
That is true.
Another good tip is to listen to songs. Many songs are about the past. They tell stories about old friends or old loves.
Oh, I like that. You can listen and find the past words in the song.
Yes, songs like Yesterday by the Beatles. It's a very famous song and it uses simple past words.
Yesterday, all my troubles seemed so far away.
Wow, Jack, you have a great voice.
Thank you, Emma. I try. But really, music is a fantastic way to learn.
And movies, too. You can watch a movie and then try to explain the story to a friend using past words. He met a woman, they went to a restaurant, they fell in love.
That is a very simple story, but it is great practice.
It really is. Jack, I have a question. What was your favorite toy when you were a child?
Oh, my favorite toy was a small blue car. I played with it every day. I took it everywhere. I even slept with my blue car.
That is so cute. I had a favorite doll. Her name was Lucy. She had long blonde hair and a pink dress. My grandmother made the dress for her.
That is a very sweet memory. Did you still have Lucy?
No, I don't have her now. I think I gave her to my cousin many years ago, but I still remember her very well.
It is nice how simple things make us happy when we are young.
It is. Life was very simple then. We didn't have cell phones or computers. We just played outside.
I know. I didn't have a computer until I was 25 years old. Can you believe that?
I believe it. I remember the first time I used the internet. It was so slow.
Yes, it made a very funny noise, and we waited and waited for one picture to open.
Those were different times, but they were good times too.
They were. You know, Emma, we talked about many things today. We talked about yesterday, our childhood, and our vacations.
We did. It was a very good chat. I feel like I know you better now, Jack.
Me too. That is why the past is so important. It helps us connect.
Before we finish, Jack, let's remember the main points from today.
Good idea. So, first, we learned that talking about the past is about telling stories. We use words like yesterday and last week.
Yes, and we learned that for many action words, we just add ed, like walked and cleaned.
But some words are special, like went and ate. We need to practice those.
That's right, and we can use didn't when we want to say that something did not happen.
And most importantly, we learned that memories are like beautiful pictures in our minds. We can share them with our friends using simple English.
Exactly. See? Talking about the past is not scary. It is fun.
It really is. I had so much fun today, Emma.
Me too, Jack. Thank you for sharing your stories with me.
Thank you for sharing yours. And thank you to all our listeners for being with us.
Yes, thank you, everyone. We hope you enjoyed this episode about the past.
Now, we have a question for you. Please leave a comment below and tell us, what did you do yesterday?
Or you can tell us, what was your favorite toy when you were a child? We love reading your stories.
Yes, please write to us in English. It is great practice for you.
And before you go, remember to subscribe and share this podcast with your friends.
Give us a like if you had a good time today. We will be back soon with more easy and fun English for you.
We can't wait to talk to you again. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye-bye.